How to change your creator account page color on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to patreon.com. This is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do now is click on your creator account from here. This is my creator page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on edit your page and it will take you directly to here. Click on page settings and scroll down. You will find custom brand color and choose the color that you want. You can customize if you want. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, purple, and here you go. Now click save changes and let's go to my creator account, and here is the purple color. As you can see, it's here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.